What is your opinion on social media? How well are you using it? Many think social media is a waste of time. But see, it is all about how we are making good use of it. Right? Social media is undoubtedly the right place to build your branding easier and faster. That is why most of the businesses and brands call it a blessing. Today, I am here to share 5 quick tips on how to build your brand on social media effectively. 1. Find your customer's favorite hangouts. First, find out which platform your ideal client hangs out more on. If your product/service is for professionals, 2 of the potential social media networks are LinkedIn and Facebook. If your product is for fashion enthusiasts, maybe Instagram and Pinterest are the right places. So, according to your product/service, find out where your ideal customer would spend more time on, and choose a minimum of 2 platforms to be active on. Some of the most used social media platforms are Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. 2. Post every day. Yes. Your followers will forget you and your brand if you post now and then. That is why it is recommended to post every day. Have a calendar set for a week or month. Some of the post ideas include: about the product, a tip, about your brand, ask a question or feedback, conduct a survey, behind the scene post, reshare old post, product video, industry update, personalized content, and so on. 3. Have one primary platform. Once you choose 2 or 3 platforms, as you keep on posting consistently, one day you will realize that a specific platform is working way better than the other ones. Choose it as your primary platform and post more content there, and spend more time there getting in touch with your followers. 4. Check at least once a day. Social media is an excellent opportunity for you to connect with your existing and future clients. Go through the comments and messages. Have a schedule to respond to them. This makes followers build an emotional connection with your brand. 5. Make them remember you. You want your clients to like you and trust you, right? And in fact, that is how your authority can be built quickly. Going live is the right way to achieve this. But remember, do not always just talk about your product and brand. Ask them what they want. Take feedback. Let them know you care for them. Overall, identify your perfect social media channels, use them to the best, and get quicker and the most effective results. Thanks for being with us. Hit a like if found anything valuable in this video. Please comment down below for any suggestions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And finally, thanks for watching.